Hi everyone, welcome to my channel on this rainy Friday, April 3rd, 2020. Wanted to point out this improved my lemon tree, this sad looking improved my lemon tree. I've had this tree for over 10 years and it's been through a lot. I've done videos on it where I talk about how I accidentally dropped a car jack on it. Doing some porch work, but I tend to try to overwinter these, which really can't be done in the cellar. I don't give them adequate light, and it's really too cool. They last for a couple of months, and then they start taking a turn for the worst. If you overwater, you think I'd learn by now, but they seem to be doing good, and then all of a sudden they'll take a turn for the worst. And citrus, when they go real quick. So I didn't want to bring it into the house because it had the fungus gnats, and you bring it in, and then before you know it, all your house plants have fungus gnats. So real quick, I just wanted to point out, I just purchased these off of Amazon, yellow sticky trap. I guess they're made for sort of potted plants. And they don't have to, the shape there of the butterfly is mostly for people. It's got nothing to do with attracting the fungus gnats, of course. But I noticed some flying around, and they really get annoying because you can be in front of your computer and they seem to know exactly how to annoy you, get right in front of your face. But I just put this one in last night. I don't know if the camera's picking that up. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 fungus gnats. I don't know if there's any on the other side. Oh yeah, there's a couple right there on the other side too. So they are working. I didn't read the box, but I'm assuming that yellow attracts them. I don't know if there's a scent to these that also attracts, or it's just the color. But they are working. Yellow sticky trap is a simple yet effective glue trap for greenhouse and garden pest control. The yellow color attracts pests, and the flower shape, that's not a flower shape, decorate the plants. I think English is a second language on this. It is pesticide free, therefore suitable for organic garden. I did not think about that. So I think mainly it's the color that might be attracting, but they seem to be working. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side. So I thought I'd just do a quick video. I think this is starting. I had a bag on this to try to keep the humidity up, and then I took it off, and it's sort of out of direct sunlight. It gets the sun when after about 4 o'clock. After about 4 o'clock, it starts to get some sun. But it might be making a comeback here. There is a flower. There's a single flower on this. But I just wanted to point out real quick these yellow sticky traps here for the fungus gnats. So this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching. Alright everyone, here's a quick addendum to this video that I never got around to producing. So I'll add this on to the end. Here's an update. Today's Wednesday, April 8th. And it's been about 5 days. Let's take a look here at all of the fungus gnats. Well, I don't want to count them. There's got to be over a dozen right here. If you want to pause the video and count them. And it's sticky. And on the other side, There's more than the last time also. And I haven't noticed them flying in front of my face while I'm in the house. And this is the only place that I just have this one. I should probably take some of the others and put them maybe in some other pot. But I really haven't noticed them anywhere. I actually didn't notice them that much on this pot. So this is the southwest facing side of the house. So as the sun goes down, maybe they're accumulating in the back here and getting stuck on this. So this quick on these little sticky traps that seem to be really working, and if I have an outbreak in the lean-to, I'll definitely place a couple in the seed starter trays that I started. So thought I'd just add this real quick before I process this video. So thanks for watching again.